Truveta Symposium is a unique event, bringing together Truveta with our partners in the life science, health system, academic, research, government space, all of us united by one common goal: to leverage clinical data to take better care of patients.
Truveta Symposium is an inspirational place to be. Health research can't be done in silos, and the Truveta Symposium brings together the health systems who are focused on the data and the patient impact, brings together industry who has the scale and the resources to really think through the innovation, and the academic research organizations who are bringing curiosity and rigor in the next scientific project. And the synergies that occur at the Truveta Symposium are truly inspirational.
It's this human interaction that really drives me. It's like you get to meet people who are actually using the Truveta data and learn about what they're trying to accomplish with it and provide some insight.
I believe we come up with the best answers when we have a diverse set of people in the room all sharing their ideas and coming together to collaborate.
Whether it's a research discussion, a live demo, panel discussion, genomics, healthcare, the future of medicine. It's just amazing to see the energy and the passion that exists here, and to know that we're part of something that is going to change the future of healthcare.
It sparks so many new ideas and hypotheses, and I always see that there are certain ideas we got in first symposium that we made progress for second symposium, and second symposium we got something else. So that's the energy that we develop in these discussions and the collaborations that actually spawn from here.
It's a really great opportunity to just get everyone together to talk about the problems that they're seeing and how real-world data like Truveta can help their different scenarios.
There's just this unique and incredible opportunity to be part of something extremely special and then bring it right back home to your own communities.
It's been the privilege of my career to be working with these incredibly talented people at our health systems, at our life science partners. Just these deeply thoughtful, brilliant people that understand medicine, software, and data science, build incredible teams and do amazing things. It's just an incredible privilege.